A great miracle happened in the life of Saint Purandaradasa. I said I will mention it in part 3. One day, as luck would have it, God decided to cure Srinivasa Nayaka of both his miserliness and material attachment. So, God approaches Srinivasa Nayaka, the gold and diamond and silver merchant. As a poor man, God is disguised as a very, very poor man. He approaches his shop and says, I have to conduct my son's Upanayanam ceremony or thread ceremony, what we call Poonal in Tamil. And he says, please give me some donation. Now, Srinivasa Nayaka is not known for his generous, munificent nature. He rebukes him, mocks him, ridicules him, and shoos God away. God is very intelligent, very, very cunning, ocean of cunningness. So God goes to Srinivasa Nayaka's residence. There, Saraswati Bai is there, and she is a very generous soul as opposed to her husband, Srinivasa Nayaka. He makes the same request of her. She immediately removes her precious nose ring, obviously studded with diamond or diamonds, and she gives it to God, not knowing obviously that this is God himself. She has given it to a poor person. Now this poor person, who is actually God, goes back to Srinivasa Nayaka's shop, the jewelry shop, saying, one woman has donated her nose ring. You had refused to give me anything. Now I want to sell it to you. Please tell me what is its worth. So Srinivasa Nayaka says, okay, give me the nose ring, let me take a look. And he sees it is genuine diamond, genuine gold, and also recognizes the fact that this unique nose ring belongs to his wife. Now he starts suspecting whether he has stolen it or done something. He says, where did you get this from? Says, from a very nice lady. And he mentions the street and roughly the address. So Srinivasa Nayaka tells the poor man, this is worth quite a bit. Let me keep it in my safe for a while. Lock it up. You please sit here and I will go and check a few things and come back. You please wait here. So God says, okay, no problem. I am waiting. You please check on a few things and come back and we will strike a deal later. So Srinivasa Nayaka rushes back to his residence. Let us imagine in his horse chariot of those days. And then he confronts his wife and says, where is your nose ring? Now she is totally afraid, full of trepidation. She is trembling. She has been caught, and he doesn't like her generous nature anyway. So she says, I have kept it in the other room and I will get it. And she goes to the other room, ostensibly to get the nose ring, but actually she wants to just drink poison and die. because she has been caught, and Srinivasa Nayaka will be very, very angry with her now. So she's about to prepare a poison cup for herself, and she picks up a glass, and what does she see there? She sees the exact nose ring there in that very glass, and she picks it up. She's totally confused as to what is going on. How can the same nose ring be found in this glass? And she goes and gives it back to Srinivasa Nayaka and says, here it is. Now he is confounded. Now he can't believe his eyes. This is an exact replica of the same nose ring that he has left in his safe at his shop. He takes this nose ring, this replica, rushes back to the shop. The poor man is nowhere to be seen, opens the safe and sees the original nose ring is also there, checks both and discovers that they both are authentic. Now he is shocked beyond belief, stunned totally. What is going on? How is this even possible? This is surely God Himself who has come to teach me a lesson. And immediately a life-altering event happens in him. He realizes all this material attachment is totally foolish, and immediately a thought crosses his mind that he has to leave all this behind him and become a devotee of God. And at 30 years of age, he gives away all of his wealth in charity, and together with his family abandons his house to lead the life of a sannyasi, a mendicant, living on alms and singing the glories of God. In his very first song composition, he laments his wasted life of indulgence. It begins with the words Analekara in the Shuddha Saveri Raga, set to Triputa Tala. More later. Thank you. Jai Hind.